Homeowners in Smithtown, New York, understand the importance of keeping their homes both beautiful and efficient, especially in a community where historic charm meets modern living. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to invest in its comfort and performance, one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make is replacing your windows. Modern window replacement not only improves your home's appearance but also enhances its efficiency, comfort, and resale value. Here's how this smart upgrade delivers long-term value for Smithtown homeowners. Boosting curb appeal and first impressions. Your home's exterior is the first thing people notice, and windows play a major role in defining its character. Old, faded, or damaged windows can make even the most well-maintained home look dated. Replacing them with modern, stylish windows instantly revitalizes your home's look, improving both curb appeal and perceived value. From classic double-hung windows that complement traditional Smithtown homes to sleek casement or picture windows that suit contemporary designs, new windows help you create a cohesive, attractive exterior. Potential buyers are quick to notice these updates. A home with new, high-quality windows communicates that it's been well cared for, giving it an edge in the competitive real estate market. Increasing energy efficiency and lowering utility costs. Smithtown's climate includes cold winters and humid summers, which means your HVAC system works hard year-round. Older windows, especially single-pane models, can allow drafts, heat loss, and air leaks that raise energy bills. Energy-efficient replacement windows provide better insulation, helping regulate indoor temperatures and reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Features such as double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect heat and UV rays. Argon gas fills between panes. Tightly sealed frames all work together to keep your home more comfortable while lowering your monthly energy costs. Over time, the savings on utility bills can help offset the cost of installation, making window replacement a financially smart investment for the long haul. Improving indoor comfort and air quality. Modern replacement windows don't just save energy, they also make your home a more comfortable place to live. New windows minimize drafts, regulate humidity, and block outside noise, creating a calm and cozy indoor atmosphere. Many Smithtown families also notice improved indoor air quality after replacing their old windows. Newer models are designed with airtight seals that prevent dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants from entering the home. Additionally, some window styles, such as casement or awning windows, make it easier to control ventilation. With better airflow, your home feels fresher while maintaining energy efficiency. Protecting interior spaces from UV-damaged sunlight is essential for a bright, inviting home, but too much of it can cause damage over time. UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings act as a barrier, allowing natural light in while blocking up to 90% of harmful UV radiation. This feature helps preserve your interior finishes, extending their life and reducing replacement costs in the future. By maintaining your home's interior beauty, new windows protect your investment inside and out. Enhancing home security and safety. Your home's windows should not only look good but also keep your family safe. Many new replacement windows feature reinforced locks, durable frames, and tempered glass that make them more resistant to break-ins or accidental damage. Modern designs also include easy-to-operate latches and tilt-in sashes, making cleaning and emergency egress simpler and safer. These features contribute to your peace of mind while also adding to your home's resale appeal. Buyers appreciate security features that combine function and aesthetics, a clear advantage when selling your property. A high return on investment. According to national remodeling studies, window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment, ROI. Homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their costs through increased resale value and long-term energy savings. In Smithtown, where home values are strong and energy costs can fluctuate, new windows are especially valuable. They not only make your property more desirable but also ensure it remains comfortable and efficient for years to come. Final thoughts for Smithtown homeowners. Window replacement is much more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment that enhances beauty, comfort, efficiency, and value. New, professionally installed windows improve curb appeal, reduce utility bills, protect your interiors, and increase your home's resale potential. Whether you're updating an older colonial or refreshing a modern home, window replacement ensures your property remains attractive, durable, and future-ready. When it comes to adding long-term value, few home improvements deliver as many benefits as replacing your windows. For Smithtown families, it's a smart step toward a more comfortable and valuable home for generations to come.